A very charming afternoon to all of you. This is Ananya Singh from BBA first semester, presented by Six Sigma as a quality control of techniques, that mentored by Professor Ritika Singh. So, let's talk about our introduction. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology to eliminate defects and reduce variations. It developed by Motorola in 1980s and popularized by General Electric in 1990s. Its focus on customer satisfaction and efficiency. Then we talk about concept of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a measure of variation in a process. Six Sigma is a 3.4 defects per million opportunities, that is denoted by DPMO. So then we talk about our objective. It reduce defects and error, improve process of efficiency, enhance customer satisfactions, lower operation cost, build a culture of continuous improvement. Then we talk about our key principle. It focus on customer needs, identify, control and variations, encourage leadership and teamwork, strive of continuous improvement, standardize improvement process. Now we talk about dynamic methodology. D donates to define, its identify problem and goals, and M donated to measure, its collects and assets data, and A donated to analyze, find root causes and defects, and I donated to improve, that is implement and tool satisfaction, and C donated to control, that sustain and standardize improvements. Then we talk about our tools and techniques. Pareto chart highlight key and causes, and Fishbone its root causes of analysis. Control chart monitoring performance. FEMA regression is 5 ways benchmarking, identify and prevent problems. Then we talk about our Six Sigma, that is executive leadership and champion, provide vision and resources. Master black belts and black belts are lead and train teams. Green and yellow velvets support an improvement project. Then we talk about our benefits. Fewer defects, higher quality, cost saving and efficiency gains, employee engagement and teamwork, satisfied customer and loyal clients, strong communicative and advantage. Then we talk about our challenges. High training cost, employees' resistance to change, data collection difficulties, long project timeless and overruns of statics. Then we talk about our applications. Manufacturing reduce production defects, healthcare minimize and take care of patients, banking finance streamline process, IT favor of software bugs, logistic reduce days and optimized supply chains. Then we talk about Six Sigma versus traditional code. Traditional QC. Traditional QC focus on defect. Traditional quality, it means focus on defects and detect. Then we talk about Six Sigma versus traditional quality control. Six Sigma means it focuses on detect and preventations, data drive and protective, and traditional quality control means it focuses on defect and detection, inspiration and based reactive. Then we get last but not the least, that is conclusion. Six Sigma is a philosophy of excellence, combines statics, customer focus on teamwork, drive continuous improvement and long-term success, a key tools of achieve near quality in a modern organization. Thank you. I hope you all are find this informative.